Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I was contacted a month ago from Potomac Beads about becoming a bead influencer for them, and I graciously accepted because I've always thought their beads are so pretty. So this is my first unboxing with them. Now this is the Treasure Edition. It used to be the Best Bead, formerly the regular. This is the Best Bead box, the Treasure Edition, formerly the regular box. And then there's also the Best Bead Box Kit Edition, which was formerly the extra large box. So this is the one that I'm going to receive every month. And I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to do at least one tutorial with these beautiful things in here. So, the difference is this box, they're saying now from the other box that it replaced, is bigger than ever. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, same products in multiple colorways. 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box, which you can find on their website. Premium stash beads like crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. They're beginner friendly. Past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. There will be 5 golden tickets each month in these boxes. And if you receive one, then you will get a special gift. The price monthly for this is $39.99. If you just pay monthly. If you pay quarterly, it's $34.99. So you save $60 a year. And if you pay for this annually, it's $29.99. So you save $120 a year. So if you're a big beader, that would be the way to go. There will be a link below that if you're interested in this, you can go through there and they will know that you went through my YouTube channel, and it will help to sponsor my channel. So I would really appreciate that if you did. So I'm really excited to get started with this. So let's get this open. I did get, let me show you this. It's bigger than my mat, but they gave us in this box, we got this beautiful big bag to carry stuff in, and I like to travel a lot, so I'll probably be using that for that. So I love this box too. It's so nice. It's got a magnetic clasp on it. So the treasure subscription is here. It says, discover the new Potomac Beads treasure box. This buried treasure box features bright copper tones, one-of-a-kind vintage Czech glass, and exotic shapes and colors. Create your own simple strung jewelry designs or create a detailed masterpiece. And then the, let me see there. Yes, and then this is the Best Bead box, which is the treasured. It just pretty much says the same thing. So here's all the stuff inside of it. So here is a look at this. Let me close this up. And let me get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with Potomac pearls in the color Comet, 4mm, a 10-inch strand. And these are absolutely beautiful. You can tell these are very good quality. Very good quality beads. Potomac Beads is just, you know, all their beads are beautiful. They're, you know, you look and just the quality of the beads, you look at the holes, everything is really nice. So these are beautiful. Love this color. It's kind of like a greenish silver almost. Very beautiful. Next is a beautiful plated toggle, 13mm, smooth, round. It's nice because when they're like this, you can use them for all different kinds of projects because they pretty much will adapt to anything. It's very nice. Next are 4 copper-plated bales, 9mm. You can never have too many of these. No, there's 5 of them. I'm sorry. Not 4, 5 of them. So you can use these for a lot. You can even use these, you know, sometimes you hang things this way, you know, from there and put the necklace through there. But you could also do it upside down and have the necklace through there and then hang something down through there, which I think I might do for my project. Got some ideas with these beautiful beads. And next are the Potomac beads, ball pins, 38 millimeter premium antique copper plating, 38 millimeter, a pack of 36. So you can use these for a good project. And then next is the Potomac crystal rondelles. These are stunning. Don't know if the camera is picking up all of the shimmer on these, but you can look at those. Absolutely beautiful. And the nice thing about these is because they're clear is you can use them with pretty much any color. They're really a good fill-in for a lot of different projects. Absolutely gorgeous. And the quality of them, when you look at the whole, it's perfect. And next are the Ava beads. They're 2 hole. Let me see if I can show you that. That's the hole in the top. Have a couple different colors in here. I think each person got some different ones, but it's really nice because you can really use your imagination and make something really pretty with these. And it's great because there's not a ton of them, it's just a few, so you can use them for a project. Next is the Czech glass vintage button. Very pretty. There's that. I love the texture on that. So pretty. Lots of things you can do with this. Next is the stainless steel beading wire, a 7-inch strand, or 7-strand, I'm sorry, 7-strand, 5 meter, 16.4 feet. So that's it. Now, as you can tell from the shimmer on these are Potomac crystal bicones, 4 millimeter in the color Montana. Look at those. Look at the sparkle in those. So pretty. I can't wait to work with this box. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And next are the Czech glass rounds, 3 millimeter. And if you look at them up closely, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but they're not black. They've got some jet in them, but then they've also got like an AB of some blue, some copper, a little bit of purple in them. I'm turning them like that. You can see them a little better. Yeah, you can kind of see them now. Absolutely beautiful. And these are good for so many projects. You have 2 strands. Even if you wanted to just make yourself a simple little bracelet out of these to match an outfit and a pair of earrings, you could do that with this. It's so pretty. And next is the Czech glass faceted rounds in 7 millimeter. Look at these. They're stunning. Look at that sparkle in them. So gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to work with these. So pretty. Next are the Czech smooth rounds, 4 millimeter. Kind of like an aqua, deep aqua blue. Very pretty. Like I said, just enough for a little bracelet if you just wanted to do something simple even. You get a lot of jewelry out of this box. And next are the Czech nuggets, 5x7 millimeter. It's such a pretty strand. Look at that colors. You can see it against the skin. It looks so pretty. so many ideas going through my head with these. Next are the Czech leaves, 9 by 15 millimeter. And as you can see, they are on both sides. The hole is at the top of the leaf, but these make great little dangles and great charms for wrap bracelets, or you could do something bigger with them, or just, you know, you can use these for so many different projects and things. So pretty. Love these. Look at the quality of these. So pretty. And then here is a Space Saver jar that they sent us. Very nice. Here's those. It's great because you can change them around, you know, depending on what you want to put in here. And it's nice because it's see-through, it's not blurry, so you can see exactly what's in here. So, and then last but not least, that bag that I showed you. So I am so excited to work with Potomac beads. I have a couple ideas already just from going through everything. So like I said below, if you're interested in checking out the box, click the link below and it will just help my website, or my YouTube channel, shall I say. Stay tuned, and I will be putting up a video probably within the next 3 or 4 days with these beautiful beads. And let me know down in the comments if you get this box and what you think of it. So you can click my link below and like my channel and subscribe to it. I have all my social media below, my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I hope you stay tuned. There's lots more to come. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.